So you want to know what the UNS Bar Pro looks like mounted on a 75-gallon tank stand. Here's my homemade stand. This is my cool water tank. It runs at 66 degrees in there in my cold basement. These lights right now are at 50%. At 75%. And that's 100%. Back to 50%. Still a little cloudy. It's not been up that long. So let's take a little tour. Let me turn on the room lights. So I wanted this pushed all the way back to the wall or as close as possible, so I have an end tank filter. The fish in here are Gold Barbs, which can stand temperatures easily in the 60s, White Mountain Minnows, the gold variety of course, and Panda Corys, which can easily stand down to 60 degrees. But I have it currently at 66.7. This is not a planted tank. As you can see, the background is universal rocks. The root is a mangrove root from universal rocks, and the rocks are also all fake from universal rocks. I do have a water circulator. So I decided to go with these hanging lights at $14 a piece from Amazon rather than the $250 lights from a famous maker that starts with a K. And I just wrapped it around. This light bar also comes with brackets to hang a wire down, so if you wanted to hang those famous lights that starts with a K, you can easily do it. I use twin wall as a cover on one side, and the other side just a little piece of twin wall to keep the water from splashing. This is a Apothecary from Etsy. It's a great little gizmo if you want to grow some plants on the end of your tank or in your tank. The brackets have a set screw to hold them, and they can either be put on up like I have them or down. So there's a lower bracket, and you want to keep these about 13 inches apart, and an upper bracket. And then I just use some black tie-downs, electrical tie-downs, to keep it in place. It seems very sturdy. Here, let me wiggle it. Doesn't wiggle hardly at all. The lights I use are the 75-watt dimmable Sylvania outdoor 40-degree flood with a true wave. And I like the color okay. So that is the UNS Light Bar, mounted on a wooden homemade stand on the back of a 75-gallon.